Hello students, this is Ronita. Welcome to my channel Let's Solve with Ronita. In this video I am going to solve 4B from this book. Okay, chapter near inequations, size 4B. In this video I am going to start solving of the questions, not the entire one. Watch till the end.
So the first question, C, choose the correct answer, that is multiple choice question. So choose the correct answer from the option given below. Now for the following real number line, the solution set is real number line. Here real number line is given. So see the first one, see the number line, okay, that is given to you. See, one is hollow circle at the point x equal to -2. And here at x equal to 4 it is darkened circle, so obviously -2 is not in this range, so there will be strictly less than x less than or equal to 4 because there is darkened circle at x equal to 4. So the answer will be x such that x belongs to R. Why R? Because it is a continuous line, not the discrete one. X belongs to R and -2 less than x less than or equal to 4. Okay, so option 3 is the correct answer. This is question number 1A. In case of question number 1B, see the question, see the number line. This is discrete point are there and -3, -2. So the solution set is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So here we are considering, so let's see the rest of the options. See the last one. X belongs to Z because they are considering all the integer number. No, this line is not a continuous line. They are picking a discrete point. Okay, so -3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, but x belongs to Z. Okay, integer. Clear? So option 4 is the correct option. Now C. Okay, so this is entire number line. They are denoting entire number line except the point x equal to 0, 10. At x equal to 10 there is a hollow circle. So all the number, they are considering all the number, that means x less than 10, that is a range, and union x greater than 10. Okay, they are considering the entire number line except the point x equal to 10. So the answer will be option number 2. C, option number 2. Next, D. In case of D, see the solution set. They are denoting this portion and that portion. So x equal to -2, so x equal to -2 and x equal to 3, they are the point. Okay, now they are considering x less than or equal to -2. Okay, so that will be a range, and another one is x greater than or equal to 3 because there are darkened circle at the point x equal to -2 and x equal to 3. There are two darkened circle. Okay, so the region will be which option will be the right one? Last option. See the option 4. Okay, x belongs to R and x less than or equal to -2 or x greater than or equal to 3. That will be the answer. Okay. Okay, now question number E. the number line for the solution of inequation x greater than 5 and x less than 10. X belongs to R. Okay. So x greater than, we are considering here x greater than 5 and x less than 10. Now we are not considering to endpoint because there are strict inequalities. Okay. So obviously which option will be the correct one? See which option. See the first one. Here they are considering x less than 5, x greater than 10. So that is not the correct answer. Next one, see, they are considering x greater than 5 and less than 10. That means x are in between 5 and 10. So this one will be the correct option. See the next one, there are darkened circle. So they are considering 5 and 10 here. So the correct answer in case of this one also, they are considering 5. So the correct answer will be option 2. Okay. Now question number 2. Represent the following inequalities on a real number line. So you have to draw the number line. Before that, I just want to simplify that inequality. So it will become 2x less than 6. So x less than 3. Okay. Now if I draw the number line, x is less than 3. That means here you need to draw a hollow circle and the entire this line. Okay, you need to darken this line. So that will be the answer. Okay. Now the next one, question number 2. See the question number 2. 3x plus 1, that is greater than or equal to minus 5. So if you simplify it, you will get 3x greater than or equal to minus 6. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Now if you draw the number line, what will be the answer? See, now x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So here you need to draw a darkened circle. Okay, here you need to draw a darkened circle and then this entire thing. Okay, this entire thing. Question number 3. 2 into 2x minus 3, that is less than or equal to 6. Now if you simplify 2x minus 3, that will be less than or equal to 3, and 2x is less than or equal to 6 and x is less than or equal to 3. So if I draw this, okay, now less than or equal to 3, so it will be like this. Okay, clear? Question number 4 under 2. Okay, so minus 4 is less than x less than 4. So if you draw the number line, what will be? Minus 4 is less than x less than 4. That means you have to draw hollow circle here and hollow circle there. And now you have to connect this because they are considering. Question number 5 under 2. Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 5. So how will you draw it? See the question. Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 5. Minus 2, there will be a closed darkened circle, and then 5, there will be a hollow circle, and you have to join this line. Okay, greater than or equal to x greater than minus 3. That means minus 3 less than x less than or equal to 8. So if you draw, so here it is strict inequality. So you have to draw a hollow circle here, and here it is less than or equal to. So you have to draw the darkened circle here. Now you have to join this one. Okay, now the last one. Minus 5. See this problem. Minus 5 less than x less than or equal to minus 1. Minus 5 less than x less than or equal to minus 1. So how will you draw it? So minus 5 here, see there is strict inequality. So hollow circle, and -1 there will be a darkened circle, and now you have to join this. Okay, so this will be our range of x. Okay, now question number 3. See the question. Here the number line is given. Okay, and you have to write the inequation taking x as the variable. So see, there is a darkened circle here, so in -1, and this portion is the range of x. So if you write x, that is, this portion is less than -1, right? Here you have to use less than or equal to because there is a darkened circle, so -1. That will be an inequation. Okay, now the next one. See the range, that is greater than 2, x equal to 2. So x is greater than or equal to 2. That is our range, where here also x belongs to R, and here also x belongs to R. Okay, now the third one. See, x is in between -4 and here it is 3. So -4, so write this one, -4 and 3. X is greater than -4 and less than 3. Now, see, there is darkened circle, so you have to put this one. Okay, fine. Now the next one. See, x equal to -1, so you have to put -1 here, and x equal to 5. Now see, there is darkened circle and there is hollow circle, so you have to put, so this will be our answer. Now see, question number 4. For the following inequations, graph the solution set on the real number line. Okay, so first you have to find the range of x, then you have to draw it on number line. Okay, so let's start. Question number 4. See the question. -4 less or equal to 3x minus 1 less than 8. Okay, and so you can, what you can, -4. See this one. I'm going to do the entire thing at a time. So this minus, I'm going to transfer this one in two sides. Okay, so +1 less than or equal to 3x less than 8 plus 1. Okay, so here it will become -3 less than or equal to 3x less than 9. So it will become -1. If you divide all the term by 3, -1 less than or equal to x less than 3. Okay, now if you draw, so here you need to darken the circle. Okay, and 3, here it will be a hollow circle, so this will be the range. Okay, this will be the range. Now question number 2. See the question number 2. X minus 1 less than 3 minus x less than or equal to 5. Okay, x minus 1, that is less than 3 minus x, that is less than or equal to 5. Now I am going to do this by part. Okay, this part, if you simplify this portion, what will you get? X minus 1 is less than 3 minus x. So if you transfer variable part in one side, it will become 2x, that is less than 3, and this part to this side, so +1, so it will become 2x less than 4. Okay, that implies x less than 2. And this part, if you consider this part, 3a minus x, that is less than or equal to 5. So minus x, that is less than or equal to 5 minus 3, minus x, that is less than or equal to 2. So if you change the symbol, change the sign of both the term, x greater than or equal to -2. So that means -2 less than or equal to x less than 2. That will be our range. So this will be our answer. Okay. Now see question number 5. Represent the solution of each of the following inequality on the real line and real number line. Okay. So first inequality is 4x minus 1 that is greater than x plus 11. This is 1 under 5. Okay. So if you simplify it, what will be the 4x minus x that is greater than 11 plus 1, so 3x that is greater than 12, so x greater than 4. Okay, so x greater than 4, that is the inequality. And if you draw it in number line, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Now see, x greater than 4, so this and this. The question, 7 minus x is less than or equal to 2 minus 6x. So if you write it, 7 minus x that is less than or equal to 2 minus 6x. So if you transfer all the variable in one side, you will get 6x minus x that is less than or equal to 2 minus 7. 5x is less than or equal to minus 5. So x is less than or equal to minus 1, less than or equal to minus 1. So minus 1, and here it is less than or equal to, so darken circle, and then this part is the range. This part is our range. Okay, so in the next problem, see the next problem, question number 3 from question number 5. Okay, x plus 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 9. Okay, so if you put all the variable in one side, minus 2x plus x is less than or equal to 9 minus 3, so it will become this. So if you change it, it will be like this. So if you draw, see x equal to minus 6, that means this point, and x is greater than, that means this part. So this entire part will be the answer. Okay, this entire part will be the answer. Next one, 2x plus 5 by 3 that is greater than 3x minus 3. 2x plus 5 that is greater than 9x minus 9. Now 9x minus 2x, and here it will be 9 plus 5 that is greater than 9x minus 2x. Okay, that implies 7x that is less than 9 plus 5, that will be 14. So x is less than 14 by 7, that will be 2. So x is less than 2, that means if you draw the line, x is less than 2. So x equal to 2 means that point, less than, so hollow circle, and less than portion, that means this part. Okay, so this part will be the answer. Okay, now see question number 6. X belongs to real number and minus 1 is less than 3 minus 2x less than or equal to 7. Evaluate x and represent it on a number line. Okay, so first you need to find out the range of x. Minus 1 is less than 3 minus 2x, that is less than or equal to 7, and x belongs to R. So minus 1 minus 3, here I am transferring this constant terms in both the side. Okay, so this is positive, so you have to put negative symbol. Okay, minus 2x less than or equal to 7 minus 3. So minus 4 is less than, minus 2x is less than or equal to 4. Now if you divide all the three number by 2,
by 2. Okay, minus 2 less than minus x less than or equal to 2. Now if you divide it by minus 1, yes, minus 1, or if you change the entire symbol of all the number, then 2 will be greater than x, that will be greater than or equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is less than or equal to x less than 2. This will be our range. Okay, now if you draw it in number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now see, minus 2 and 2. So this and that. Okay, now if you simplify, minus 3 plus 2, that is less than x. So if you compute this part, you will get this one, and if you proceed, minus 1 is less than x, and now from this part we will get x minus 2 less or equal to 9 minus 2x. That implies if you transfer all the variables in one side, 3x, x plus 2x, 3x less than or equal to 9 plus 2. So it will become 3x is less than or equal to 9 plus 2 means 11. Okay, so that means x is less than or equal to 11 by 3. Now 11 by 3 means, so the range will be minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 3 and a 2 by 3. Now x belongs to natural number set, so you have to start from 1, 2 and 3. Since this term is greater than 3 but less than 4, so you have to omit 4 but you have to consider 3. Okay, so these are the list of elements. Okay, clear? This will be answer. And the next part, see the question number 8. See the question number 8. See the question. Find the range of values of x which satisfies this, graph these values of x on the number line. So you have to come first, you have to compute the range and then you have to draw the number line. Okay, let's see question number 8. Minus 2 and a 2 by 3, that is less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 is less than 3 and a 1 by 3. So first it means minus minus 8 by 3, that is less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 less than 10 by 3. Okay, now this part, if you consider this part, minus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is less than or equal to x. See this one, minus 8 by 3, minus 1 by 3, that is less than or equal to x. So if you compute minus 9 by 3, that is less than or equal to x. Now that means minus 3 is less than or equal to x. And if you compute this part, x plus 1 by 3 is less than 10 by 3. So x is less than 10 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So x is less than 9 by 3, that will be 3. So the range is minus 3 is less than or equal to x less than 3. So if you draw zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, now see, this is less than or equal to, so here you need to darken this point, minus 3, and see this one, less than 3, so here it will be hollow circle, and that is the answer. Okay, in case of question number 8. Question number 9. See the question. find the value of x which satisfy the inequation minus 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 1 that is less than or equal to 1 and a 5 by 6. X belongs to n. Okay, now if I solve this question, now cross multiplying this portion, this 2, you can multiply it with this and this. Okay, so it will become 4 less than or equal to minus x less than or equal to 5 by 6. Now if you change the symbol, you will get 5 by 4, 15 by 4, that is greater than or equal to x, that is greater than or equal to minus 5 by 6. So minus 5 by 6, that is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 15 by 4. Now 15 by 4 means 3 and a 3 by 4. Okay, now see, here it is given x belongs to n. So the number are 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so if you draw the graph 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, see, you have to choose the discrete point 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the graph of the solution. Now see question number 10. X belongs to R. Find the range of values of x for which minus 5 less or equal to 2x minus 3, that is less than x plus 2. Okay, so if you consider this part, minus 5 less or equal to 2x minus 3, so minus 5, if you transfer this from here to here, plus 3 less or equal to 2x. Now minus 2 less than or equal to 2x, minus 1 less than or equal to x. So here you are dividing both the side by 2. Okay, so minus 1 less than or equal to x. Now if you consider this two term, 2x minus 3 is less than x plus 2. So 2x minus x less than 3 plus 2. Okay, this x become minus x here and this minus 3 become plus 3. Okay, now x is less than 5. So if you draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now see, x less than 5, so there will be this hollow circle, and minus 1 less than or equal to x, so there will be darkened circle. Now this will be our region. Okay, understood?